Greetings from Serangoon, Singapore. Today I'm going to one of the old malls in Singapore, not the next, but Upper Serangoon Shopping Centre. It's my first time going there. It was built in 1980. So let me see, 46 years old this year. So we're going to see some nice building, nice people, and nice landmarks. So let's go. The polyclinic opposite where I'm standing, near the MRT, Bus 53 comes here, very crowded. You know, I've been to so many HDB in Singapore, the area, neighborhood, right? Wow. I think every neighborhood has a pro and con. Like right here, Serangoon Central, right, is famous for the next mall, NEX. And there's one Chom Chom food center that's nearby also, can go there. And also this area is near to Hougang, Kovan side, and Sengkang, Wangkok, Punggol. So it's nice. I know that Punggol there's one more that faces the sea, you know. So you can actually look at the sea and you can sing the 张惠妹听海. You know, the blocks it's a bit funny. Here is block 416 and then the next block become number 1. Number 1, Lorong Durian. The durian means durian, and this is Lorong Durian, and the durian group. I don't see anyone selling durians. Of course, that's a little joke, right? Well, these flats still look quite new. Maybe they are like 30 years old. And there are some private houses opposite. They are not just HDB. They are private houses that cost at least 1 million Singapore dollars or more. But in this HDB estates are quite old, right? So like one corridor, one corridor has many HDBs. So maybe about more than 10. So there are about 15 levels here. So let's make it 150 units for this block number 1, Lorong Durian. There's quite a lot of people, right? Because in the newer HDB, like 4 units in 1 floor. So they have 10 floors, so there's 40 units. This is like 4 times. So this Forest Woods condo is so nice. Every unit has their own balcony. We are 400 meters away. Oh, there's a church there. So Jesus said, "Come to me." Let's see what's the church. Paya Lebar Melody Church, right? And walk past come here 45 is always crowded this area. I guess it's the merchant estate, you know, where there are more older people. Anyway, Singapore birthday is decreasing, dropping, so there'll be much more older people in the future. Everyone will become old, including you and me. We are 400 meters away. Oh, that's a really nice private house. Alright, I finally saw Upper Serangoon Shopping Mall. Let's go. Actually, I'm pretty excited because my first time visiting there, this mall, Upper Serangoon Mall. And I read some of the reviews in the Google. They have mixed reviews from good to bad. Basically, they say nobody's come here anymore because it's old mall. And they say that on Saturday and Sunday weekends, right, it will be more crowded because the Malay hold their wedding here. And there's also a church nearby, so the church members come in for breakfast and lunch. The time now is about 6 p.m. So there's 1 more hour to sunset. And it closes at 10. Today is a weekday, so I think many shops are closed. But I just want to get a look and feel of it. It looks very vintage, the orange color building. I never see an orange mall in Singapore so far, you know. It's either white color or like, yeah, sometimes green, sometimes blue. And there's also colorful mall at Bukit Timah, Shopping Plaza. Anyway, let's go. Wow, getting so near now.